Let's see how to turn off your iPad when it's frozen. In the first step, open Settings. Now go to Accessibility, then choose Touch. After that, turn on Assistive Touch. In the next step, hold the power button. Later, continue holding till the screen turns black. Then let go of the button once the Apple logo is seen. In the next step, press volume up once quickly. Next, press volume down once quickly. After that, keep holding power until the screen switches off. In the next step, attach the iPad to a charger. Later, let it sit for some time. Next, try pressing the power button again. In the next step, press and hold the home and power buttons at the same time. Then keep pressing until the screen goes dark. Later, let go when the Apple logo appears. You are good to go.